Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now with me, Priya Behel. Now, is going to Kumbh a criteria to show that you have love for Hinduism, that you are a Sanatani? And by that example, by those standards, does skipping the holy dip at Kumbh mean that you harbor anti-Hindu hate? That is the debate that is now raging on after Mahakumbh has ended. Now, first, it was the BJP that put out a post on social media platform X that had pictures of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. It's playing out on your screens right now. It says, Hindu Virodhi Hai Congress Party. Went on to say that Rahul Gandhi has been opposing Ram Mandir. Remember, he has taken multiple digs even at the consecration ceremony. He has been mocking those who have been invited. He has been alleging that BJP has been biased in extending invitations for the consecration ceremony. Then it also says Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha mein nahi hue shamil, that these leaders, all three Gandhis of the Congress party, have skipped the consecration ceremony as well. The point being made by the BJP here was in the larger context of Kumbh recently concluding, many of their leaders also saying that the Gandhis also did not attend the Mahakumbh. They skipped taking a holy snan even when several other leaders from their party, for example, D.K. Shivakumar, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu and others decided to go and visit Prayagraj. Now, in response to the post that you see on your screens right now, Priyank Kharge, who's a minister in Karnataka, responded. He said, if this is the criteria, if this is the benchmark that you are using, then there are several people in BJP ranks as well as in the NDA that have also decided not to take a holy dip at Prayagraj this time around. He went on to name leaders from the RSS like Mohan Bhagwat himself. He went on to name several allies of the BJP from the NDA like Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, and asked, is it okay and fair to draw parallels with those who have decided not to pay homage, not to pay a pilgrimage, not to go to Prayagraj with those who hate Sanatan?
राहुल गांधी का पूरा परिवार हिंदू विरोधी है। रायबरेली राहुल गांधी 2 दिन जाते हैं और सिर्फ 2 घंटे 2 मिनट 120 किलोमीटर दूर प्रयागराज के अंदर महाकुंभ में स्नान करने नहीं जाते हैं। इनका पूरा का पूरा चरित्र हिंदू विरोधी इसीलिए है क्योंकि इनके पूरे पास्ट एक्शंस हिंदू विरोधी हैं।
I think there are so many BJP leaders who had not gone, and according to the government of India and UP government, 40 crores, 45 crores, 50 crores Hindus had visited there to have dip in Ganga. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, they might have some problem. That is the reason they are unable to visit. It is not necessary for every Hindu to visit Mahakumbh.
कि हम सब लोग सनातनी हैं और धर्म कर्म में विश्वास करते हैं। आदरणीय राहुल जी शिव भक्त हैं, इनकी सर्टिफिकेट लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इनसे। और मैं इतना ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि हम सब लोग कांग्रेस के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हैं और कांग्रेस के प्रतिनिधि के तौर पे जाकर मैंने संगम में स्नान किया।
See, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, he has not seen our Honorable Prime Minister himself was there. Our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah was also there. A lot of leaders. So indulging into criticizing in such a petty manner is a shameless.
Now, one of the other flashpoints for this, whether or not somebody went to Kumbh, is actually a testimonial to their faith in Hinduism and Sanatan, or whether they are indulging in appeasement, and those were the compulsions which stopped them from going there, was Eknath Shinde's visit to Kumbh. Because look at how the face-off is playing out in Maharashtra, because there are those in the Shinde party who are asking what had stopped Uddhav Thackeray from visiting Prayagraj.
काल परवा मला कोणीतरी म्हणालं की तिकडे कुंभमध्ये गेले पाप धुवायला, ते काय पाप काय तो काहीतरी म्हणाले पाप धुवायला। अरे बाबा, शिवसेना खऱ्या अर्थाने घाण टाकण्याचं पाप कोणी केलं? बाळासाहेबांचे विचार सोडण्याचं पाप कोणी केलं?
ये तो सब नकली ढोंगी हिंदुत्ववादी है जो गए ना हो, हमको ये सवाल मत करिए हिंदुत्व के बारे में। शिंदे जी, आपको हिंदुत्व के बारे में फिर से ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि आप नकली हिंदुत्व स्वीकार करके हमसे बात कर रहे हैं। हम ओरिजिनल हिंदुत्व वाले लोग।
Joining me now on the broadcast is Pooja Mishra, who is the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Advocate Kapil Madan joins us, a political analyst, and Radhika Khera, BJP's national spokesperson. Radhika, I'd like to start with you. What do you have to say to those who say, stop calling us anti-Hindu for not going to Prayagraj, when many in your own rank and file have done the same?
Good evening to everyone. Well, it's not just about not visiting the Mahakumbh and going for your holy snan. If you remember, the same Priyank Kharge, the son of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the national president of the Congress party, has gone on to say that Sanatan Dharma is a disease. It's equivalent to AIDS, Corona, and it must be finished. And every time the DMK has said anything about Sanatan Dharma, criticize Sanatan Dharma, talk about finishing and ending Sanatan Dharma, the Congress has kept quiet, and Priyank Kharge has come out in support by giving another one-off comment. So it is very clear that they are absolutely anti-Sanatan. Now, none of our leaders have ever gone and done a press conference. And if you remember, there was a press conference which was done right from Gujarat during the Gujarat Assembly elections, when Rahul Gandhi signed in a register at Somnath Mandir, where he was signed under, his name was written and he had signed under the non-Hindu. There was a register where non-Hindu signed, and that's where Mr. Rahul Gandhi had signed. After which Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala had done a press conference from the same Gujarat and claimed that Rahul Gandhi is a Janeyudari Brahmin, and had released a picture of Rahul Gandhi wearing a Janeyu over his coat, which again was another one-off thing that we've ever seen, that someone is wearing a Janeyu over their coat. And then immediately after that, a few weeks or months after that, Rahul Gandhi went on to claim in a press conference and in some interviews also that he is a Mahabhakt of Prabhu Shivji and what all he has said. So we are not the ones who are saying that we are Hindus and we are trying to do press conferences to prove that we are Hindus. So since you've been saying that all the while, ki hum ye hai, hum wo hai, and on the other hand, you remain silent when your own party leaders, your own ministers, your own national president's son talks about finishing Sanatan Dharma, that means you agree with him. So obviously questions will be raised, which is why when you talk about doing snan in the Mahakumbh, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge says कि वहां जाने से क्या गरीबी दूर होगी. So then why did Mr. Sachin Pilot or D.K. Shivakumar or Mr.
Digvijay
Singh or Abhishek Manu Singh and all of them, surprisingly, the Congress has continuously, along with its alliance, been criticizing the Kumbh कि यहाँ पे VVIP culture है. Well, all of these people went to the Mahakumbh in their private jets using VVIP security, bathed at the VIP ghats, and took every possible VIP facility that was available. While all our leaders went by regular trains and regular travel or by road, and it was normal. See, we are not the ones who are criticizing anything. They are the ones that have used everything that they have criticized. And if you are declaring yourself in a press conference that you're a Janeyudari Brahman, and a Mahashiv Bhakt, you should have been there.
Pooja Mishra, तो argument here is कि ये किसी एक डुबकी की बात नहीं है, एक स्नान की बात नहीं है, ये आपके ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड की बात है. आप कहते कुछ और हैं, आप करते कुछ और हैं, और ये केवल एक और इंसिडेंट है, एक और एग्जाम्पल है जिससे कि ऐसा लगता है कि आप एंटी हिंदू हैं.
And how does that make anti-Hindu? Suppose before back 2-3 years, I wasn't Hindu. I was practicing some other religion. And after 2-3 years, I decided to change my religion, and I've changed my religion. Does that make me anti-Hindu? Or I'm currently Hindu. After 10 years or 20 years, I decide to change my religion. Does that gonna make me anti-Hindu? I don't know why this government is always indulged in politicizing religion, where the real question is that the government should be focusing on governance, government should be focusing on the employment, government should be focusing on the real issues. I think the government wants the nation to be indulged into the religious debate rather than indulging into 4 crore youth, educated youth are unemployed here. We are not discussing about that. BJP is discussing about who took the holiday, who didn't take the holiday, the person who took the
BJP wasn't talking about that. If you see the post that they have put out, there's the word Kumbh is not even mentioned. They're talking about the Gandhis and how they have been against Ram Mandir. It was Priyank Kharge who dragged Kumbh into it.
I think faith is personal, okay?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely,
it
and which is why
personal,
that
not a
begs us the
political
question
goal,
कि
not a political
जो लोग
goal.
ये कह रहे हैं कि मोहन भागवत क्यों नहीं गए, नीतीश कुमार क्यों नहीं गए और चंद्रबाबू नायडू क्यों नहीं गए, उनका पर्सनल फेथ है, वो नहीं गए,
नहीं गए। तो यही तो बात हो जाती है कि जब राहुल गांधी वहां पे नहीं गए प्रिया जी, तो सवाल उठाने का क्या मतलब है कि आप जो है 2 घंटे की दूरी पे, भाई 1 मिनट की दूरी पे भी वो करके नहीं जा सकते। कई सारे लोग ये इलाहाबाद में रहे लेकिन पूरे महाकुंभ में वो स्नान नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि उनको लग रहा था कि इतनी भीड़ में सफोकेशन होगी, हम बाद में जाकर के स्नान कर लेंगे। दैट डजंट मीन दैट दे आर नॉट सनातनीज।
राधिका।
वेपनाइजिंग हिंदू
मैम बात ये नहीं है, हम नहीं कह रहे आप मत आइए कुंभ, वो आपकी आस्था है, आपका प्राइवेट मैटर है, हम तो कहते हैं। तो फिर जब आपका प्राइवेट मैटर है तो आप लोगों ने, राहुल गांधी की टीम ने, रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला ने प्रेस वार्ता करके ये क्यों कहा कि राहुल गांधी जनेऊधारी ब्राह्मण है? क्यों राहुल गांधी की फोटो रिलीज करी? क्यों अपने आप को हिंदू प्रूफ करने में लगे? सुनिएगा, मैं आपके बीच में नहीं बोली, क्यों? आप सुन तो लीजिए, सवाल तो सुन लीजिए पूरा, फिर जवाब दे दीजिएगा। मैडम मोहतरमा जी, सवाल
अखिलेश,
सोनिया गांधी कहती है,
जया बच्चन बोलती है पानी में लाशें हैं, कंटामिनेटेड गंगा का पानी है, अखिलेश उनके में 10 कमियां निकालते हैं, फिर जाके अखिलेश ही स्नान करते हैं।
नहीं बढ़ सकती तो आप लोगों ने अभिषेक मनु सिंह भी, सचिन पायलट सबको रोका क्यों नहीं? हाथ पकड़ के रोक लेना चाहिए था।
बोर्ड also says the same thing, NGT also says the same thing. It is not our saying.
Kapil Madan, what is the problem? Taking a dip or the duplicity of those who either go or do not go?
Well, let me just say one thing here. You know, what I heard very patiently to what Radhika ji said on the show, and I think the argument that she's trying to make is, to my understanding, it's irrational and it's illogical, and it is self-contradictory and self-serving. And allow me to explain why. Now, Radhika ji says that because Rajiv Surjewala says that Mr. Gandhi is a Janeudhari Brahman and that's the reason why he is anti-Sanatani, just because of the fact that he has not visited Kumbh. I asked Radhika Kheda ji here on the show very respectfully, can she name all MPs of the BJP and confirm on this channel whether all MPs from the BJP have visited Kumbh or not? That's point number one. Whether all MLAs in all the states ruled by BJP or where the BJP is in the opposition, whether all MLAs have visited Kumbh or not.
But Kapil, they also do not say that Hinduism is cancer and AIDS and HIV and leprosy and whatnot.
I'm answering everything. I will answer everything, but please, extend the same courtesy that you gave to the other panelists. You never interrupted them. Now, my question is this. If your own party MPs and MLAs, all of them, if they have not visited, is it appropriate to call that they are not Hindus or they are anti-Sanatani just because of the fact that they were not able to or they didn't go to the Kumbh to take a dip? That's point number one. Point number two here is that, again, religion is a matter of faith. You may have your own set of faiths and belief. You may have your own sets of faith, belief, and customs by which you practice your faith. It is not necessary that my faith and your way of practicing your faith and belief should match. I asked the question here to Radhika ji. She claims that they are the custodians of Sanatan Dharma. How many types of in Bhagavad Gita, how many types of Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, Hatha Yoga, how many types of yoga are there? And all those are form of meditation. Let me tell you, all those forms are ways in which one can practice his religion. How many types? I asked, Radhika ji to custodian hai. Radhika ji to custodian hai Sanatan Dharma ki, to Radhika ji bata dein सारे चैनल को. तो जो अगर, hold on, जो अगर ये बड़ा irrational सा argument है और ये बड़ा important issue है. Therefore, your viewers should know everything. I ask a question here because she claims to be the custodian of.
I think you're distracting us from the point of argument here. But Radhika, please respond. Last 30 seconds.
No, I am not.
Now I'll respond to him without, and please don't interrupt, Mr. Kapil. A, I never said that I'm the custodian of Sanatan Dharma. Two, the question again, if you would have listened to what I had spoken, problem is that the Congress and its supporters, they do not want to listen to what anyone is saying. They're on a one track, ki jo hum keh rahe hain wo sahi hai, which is why they have been out of power for all these years and which is why we are everywhere. Now, when he says that it's a set of your own belief, absolutely, the constitution which Rahul Gandhi waves around, although it has been exposed that he was waving around an empty book, that clearly states that each and every person is allowed to and free to practice their own religion. Now, but that constitution does not give Rahul Gandhi or Priyank Kharge or Mallikarjun Kharge to demean any religion that
Yes.
they don't follow. You do not want to follow Hinduism, you don't follow. You don't
Religion
want to
is
follow
absolutely
Islam, don't
personal, and the questions that are being asked right now are also because these people, there are certain people who make it political and not personal. That is where the answer to most of the questions lies. Thank you everyone for joining me on this debate. Taking a very quick break.